For me, the best way to enjoy your squash is by turning it into soup. Here's an easy creamy squash soup recipe for you. First, saute your onions until translucent. Then add your chopped squash. 1/4 lang yung squash na ginamit ko. Saute for a few minutes, then add 5 cups of water. I added 1 chicken cube. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check for doneness. If not, boil for another 2 minutes. Pag soft na, i-transfer na sa food processor, then blend until smooth. Then transfer back sa pan, let it boil again, and season with salt and pepper. Add all-purpose cream. Yung amount is depende na kung gaano nyo ka-creamy gusto. I love the combination of squash and basil. Kaya for added taste and nutrition, I always add chopped basil leaves sa recipe na to. Yes, kinakain to ng kids ko kahit may basil, sinanay ko sila. Ready to enjoy na to. I-transfer lang sa mga soup bowls and garnish with chopped basil on top. Kayo ba, meron ba kayong sariling version ng soup na to?